If Monday.com is showing an internal server error or an API error 500, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into Monday.com without wasting time. These are simple, safe troubleshooting steps that often solve the issue in just a few minutes. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, try refreshing the page, and then give it a few minutes. Sometimes a 500 error is temporary and happens because Monday.com or one of its services is having a brief loading issue. A quick refresh can be enough, but if it doesn't work right away, wait a moment and try again. Next, sign out of your Monday.com account completely, and then sign back in. This can reset your session and clear out a temporary login problem that may be causing the error. After signing back in, check whether the page loads normally. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, turn it off and refresh the page. These tools can sometimes interfere with Monday.com's connection and trigger server or API errors. Once the VPN or proxy is disabled, reload Monday.com and see if the problem is gone. If that still doesn't fix it, switch to a different internet network and refresh again. For example, you can move from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or try another Wi-Fi connection if one is available. Sometimes the issue is related to the network itself, not Monday.com. Now let's clear your browser cache and cookies, because old or corrupted browser data can definitely cause internal server errors. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together, then select Cache and Cookies, clear the data, and restart your browser. After that, open Monday.com again and test it. If the error still appears, disable your browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn them off one by one. Some extensions can block important scripts or requests that Monday.com needs to function correctly. After turning them off, refresh Monday.com and see if the page loads properly. If it does, you can re-enable your extensions one at a time to find the one causing the issue. If none of these steps work, the problem may be on Monday.com's side, and the best option is to wait and try again later, or check their status page if available. But in most cases, one of these fixes will solve the internal server error or API error 500 quickly. So to recap, refresh the page, sign out and back in, turn off VPN or proxy, switch networks, clear cache and cookies, and disable extensions. These are the most effective first steps for fixing Monday.com internal server error issues. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Monday.com and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.